Hi guys, today we have something different to fix. With this occasion, we are trying to help a customer of mine on eBay. It's from French Polynesia. Very short, briefly. He buy a motherboard from a foreign HP stream from me. The board, so the guy received the board and he claimed the board has 32 gigabyte eMMC internal storage, but is not accessible, so he can't use the board. In my opinion, this motherboard don't have that storage, but it's actually have, but it's for something else. But doesn't matter. This is another story. At the same time, he doesn't want to send the motherboard back. I offer. I say, okay, send the motherboard back, and I refund, I do a full refund for you. But no. So I can return the money. I suggest him to install Windows on SD card and use as an internal drive. As far as I can remember, it was that model of laptop. That guy tell me that he can only run Linux from USB memory stick. I'm pretty sure he doesn't do it correctly, and that's why it doesn't work with the Windows, to install a Windows on SD card. Today we'll see how can be done using another laptop, but the basic idea is the same. I don't have a hard drive. I show you. So I have this laptop. It's Dell Latitude E7240. So like you see, this laptop don't have a screen. Many parts are damaged or missing. But most important, I can fit hard drive. I tried to show you. Only mSATA drive. And I don't have mSATA. So I'm in this, with this laptop, I'm in the same situation like this guy. I need an external storage. That's mine. I need to make the bootable Windows on SD card or an external hard drive, or of course on a USB stick to use like a operating system. This laptop it's for disassembly. It's i5, so it's still a good laptop. So this laptop can give a life for other laptops. In order to test the motherboard, I need to have an operating system, because for example, I can test the sound, the speakers, or soundboard from motherboard if I don't install Windows, to see if everything is fine. It was just an example, but so many other. To test CPU, how can I test CPU without operating system? Keyboard as well. I need to test keyboard before I sell it. Let's make a short story. So I need an operating system on SD card or external drive. I stop here and I go back on the laptop, on my laptop, to see how to do that, and how to install, and I think I show you what's the common mistake, and I suppose that guys is doing that mistake. For people who know how to do an external bootable storage with Windows, no point to watch this video, so it's not for you. I just move everything on my laptop and I'll show you how to do it. Before I go to my laptop, I show you the most common mistake who many people doing. I show you. So first I connect this laptop. Yeah, I need a HDMI port because I don't have a screen. I use my power source because I'm too lazy to find a charger. Okay. I have a 32 giga SD card. I try to install this one. The port is here. I try to show you the screen. Yeah, it's there. Much better. And I have Windows 10 64 bits version, and I try to on a USB stick, and I try to install directly on SD card. Let's see what's happened. No, it's out. I check first UEFI boot, it's okay. And I need to see if secure boot, it's, you can see. Secure boot's supposed to be disabled, and it is disabled. Okay, everything is ready. I use F12 for the boot menu. So once again, this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. I show you just to don't do it. For the moment it looks like a normal installation. So once again, we don't have any storage device like hard drive or SSD or M drive, M2 drive. Only the SD card. That's all we have. So we try to install Windows directly on SD card. It look well, isn't it? I think that guy from French Polynesia is doing exactly the same mistake. I'm 90% sure about that. Actually, this is the target I have with these videos. To help people with medium knowledge about laptops how to fix different problems without tools, without electronic knowledge. There's no point to show you advanced electronic knowledge. So I chose for Windows 10 Pro 64 bits, sorry. Yeah, I accept agreement, license for license, custom, and now I'm supposed to have a hard drive or any storage, but it's not here. I don't want to keep you too long to explain why. The idea is you can install from USB directly on other external storage device like that. Now I stop and I go to my laptop to show you how to do it. For a moment it's how to don't do it. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so we are back. In order to start, we need Windows ISO file, or Windows installed kit, and the special program is named Rufus. I show you how to download Windows ISO file. Actually, is the source of the Windows from one source, but you can have more option. I left the link on the description, so you can download from here, or you can use your own source. So you can start download now. It's a small file. It's media creation tools, and you just need to double click on this file. Like I told you, you don't need to use this source if you don't want, but definitely you need to download the source of the Windows, that ISO file. Click accept, term and condition. Is not upgrade, create installation media USB flash. So second option, whatever language you want. I use United Kingdom English. Windows 10 64-bit, or you can use for 32 bits or both. I use 64-bit. Not USB flash, because if you do that, you need just ISO file. Next, location. And save. I already have that file, so I don't click on save, but you start download like that. Click save and wait till the file is big enough, so you need the time to save that file. Okay, now you have the source. I have the source as well. It's somewhere. Yeah, it's here. That's why I don't download. It's this one, for example. It's Windows 10, 64 bits. I will use this. Okay, now you need Rufus. Once again, you don't need to download from here. You can choose for another source if you have. For this page, I leave the link on the description. Once again, this is just one option, but you need this program. Choice one of these, and same story, the download starts. I don't do it because I already have a Rufus. Okay. Now you have a Rufus, now you have an ISO file. All we need to introduce the card or other source, maybe an external hard drive. I use for demonstration the SD card. You need to find Rufus from the path you use for download. My Rufus is in it's here. Okay. Now you need to find the source, that ISO file. No, sorry. This is asking me for an upgrade. I don't need the upgrade now. This is the source of. Actually, this is your target, your SD card, just this case. If you use an external hard drive, maybe this box will be empty, first box. You need to tick list USB hard drive. Just tick this. Okay? In my case, I don't need to tick because it's already shown me my SD card. Now you need to select the source. So the source actually is that ISO file. Depend where you download, where is the location of that file, but you're supposed to know that. This is my ISO file. Okay. It's not standard Windows installation, be very careful. Put the second option, Windows to go. Okay. Here, if you can see, it depends of you. If you think that card or that external hard drive or whatever is you will use for multiple laptops or computers, you need to mark MBR option. If you choose only for one system, you can use GPT, but to be sure, doesn't matter if you use for a single computer or for multiple computers, it's better to use MBR. But for multiple computer, it's necessary to use MBR. Okay? BIOS UEFI, this is not option. And if yes, yes, it's okay. Now you can start. I choose for Windows Pro. You can choose for whatever Windows you think from the list. Disable all these options is much faster. This is a warning because the system will format SD card. Make sure you don't have something you need it. And now we need to wait. I don't keep the video so long. Maybe it's around 15, depend of the... Actually, it doesn't matter what system it is, it's around 15 minutes. So I stop the video now and I come back when it's finished. Okay? Now, we are back to our computer, our laptop. We don't need to use this USB stick anymore. Like you see, it's not working. I have a SD card ready. Actually, I stopped before the program finish. Just need to wait till that program finish and that's it. The SD card will be ready after. So I have a SD card. And simply start the laptop. I will show you the screen. And I'm supposed to have Windows 10 pre-installed. Yes. After that, it's too slowly to keep you so long. So you will have pre-installed Windows. That's mine. The few settings you need to do it. But if you are used with installing with this installation, with Windows installation, it's easy. I think I stop because it's running from SD card, so it's a little bit slow than normal. And I show you on the end the result. but I'm pretty sure the Windows is working. Yeah, or maybe I start to record each step I do it. Yeah, to be sure you don't make any other mistakes. So okay, after long wait, I have first step to select the region. I select United Kingdom. I suppose will be another long wait, so I stop again. Finally, we are on the second step to select the network. So good news for me, wireless card is working. Another step, I think the third one, is to accept the license. Many of these settings, it's up to you. That's why they are called personalization. I show you my option, but once again I put this Windows just to check the components of the laptop. So it's just suggestion and just to show you the Windows is working. And finally, that one was the last step. We have a functional Windows. you can use now that card on the other laptops as well. It's not very fast, but there is a solution. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. I know for many people this is nothing new, but for other maybe it's helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.